Before we begin, please download and install Termux. The link is in the video description. Open Termux and wait for the Bootstrap packages to install. Run the following command to update the list of available packages. Run this next command in order to install the necessary files to build Ollama. Paste command 1 from the description in order to begin building Ollama. Optionally, you may run command 2 from the description in order to remove residual files left from the installation. Type cd and go to the main directory. Then paste in command 3 from the description to complete the Ollama installation. Type Ollama serve in order to start the program. Then swipe from the left side of the screen and then create a new session. Type Ollama pull tiny llama in order to begin downloading an AI language model. Pulling the model may take some time depending on your device and your connection speed. You can now type Ollama run tiny llama to run your AI model. You may ask it anything as you would with a program like ChatGPT. The response time, once again, will vary depending on the capabilities of your processor. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please let us know in the comments below. See you next time.